What's up guys, another day, another vlog. Going up to Ikeja today for a workshop, a photography workshop that is being hosted by Shola Animation. Today we're going to test out what it's like vlogging without an ND filter. So for some reason I can't find my ND filter and I can't allow gear get in the way of storytelling. So I'm going to vlog without an ND filter today and see if we can still get good footage, good coverage without the ND. Although I know that I won't have that nice shallow depth of field, that nice blurry background, but that's what we have to sacrifice today. So my footage won't be as sweet as I would like it to be. Much more things will be in focus because of the lack of the ND filter, because of the lack of the sunglasses for my camera lens. Let's go. Thank you. I'm Chuka. Yeah. One thing I've noticed already is that the footage already looks cleaner without the ND filter. So it seems my ND filter reduces the quality of my image already, quality of my films a bit, quality of my video a bit. I think that's because the ND filter is cheap though. It's just about $25. So I don't think you will experience that with more expensive ND filters. But anyway, that's one thing you need to know about getting cheap stuff. Still does the job, still blurs out the background, but it changes the colors a bit of my frames, of my video. Get this kind of brownish kind of tint, brownish kind of colors, which aren't there normally. The ND filter gives you that. So that's just one thing you need to know. At the venue of the master class, but I'm looking for the exact place to enter and I can't find it. Thank you. So I'm live at it's actually a workshop, not a masterclass, and it has been fun so far. I have to go really soon because I have a shoot to go for. So quick one, I'm about to test the Rode video micro to show the importance of having an external mic on your camera. Yes, so 3, 2, 1, I'm going to record my guy here, Akin, a friend of mine, just met him, he's a cool guy. 3, 2, 1, we're testing out the mic, beat and without the mic, let's go.
Hello guys, my name is Keith, I'm right here, I'm with Chuka, right? Yeah, I think he's gonna be a cinematographer, like he's gonna be big on all this commercial event coverage. Like he's like pretty good, trust me, like he's very pretty good. I've seen him around like videoing and anything just seems like I'm kind of amazed that this kind of people like he's very determined to work.
have to run. But so far it has been a nice experience. I got to play with the Canon EOS R, and it's a really great camera. That's my dream camera. One day I'm going to own it. Stay tuned. I'm late for my shoot, so I have to hurry. Couldn't finish the workshop. I have to go for my shoot right now. Let's go. Much better. Sure, my hair is looking really rough, man. So I just realized that my ND filter has been in my pocket all along. Chuka. Anyhow, ND filter, let's go. Not on. If you can notice, the background is quite blurry right now, not too blurry but quite blurry, and that's because I just put in the ND filter. The ND filter serves as sunglasses for your lens, so basically it's going to block out the excess light that's going into the lens, and I'm now going to be able to maintain a wide aperture while the ND filter is going to block in the excess light, and that's going to help me get a very nice blurry background, very nice shallow depth of field, a sweet bokeh. Let me just take it off for a quick second and adjust the f-stop as the aperture a bit so you can see the difference. So right now ND is on. Look at the depth of field, look at the background. Notice how it's a bit blurry. Now let's take it off. ND filter off. Notice how the video that is being recorded right now is overexposed. The frames are overexposed, too bright. So let's adjust the f-stop number. That's the aperture. I'm increasing it to f10. I think it's okay like this. So remember that when you increase the f-stop number, more things will be in focus, more things in the background will be in focus. So look at the background now. Can you see how more things are now in focus? So we can't get a nice blurry background without this ND filter. The only way we could without the ND filter is by adjusting the shutter speed. That is increasing the shutter speed, carrying the shutter speed up. That's to compensate for the light. But the problem with that is that you're going to disobey the 180-degree shutter rule, which says that your shutter speed has to be double your frame rate. So we have to maintain that rule, and that is why when you're obeying the rule, you have to use an ND filter to make everything be in shape. This is without ND filter. Let's put the ND filter back. With ND filter. Without ND filter. With ND filter. Man, it's so hot out here. I'm tired. I'm waiting for my client to get here, but she is not here right now, so I'm just getting some establishing shots. Whoa, can I do this, Chuka? Chuka, you can do this. Chuka, you can do this. Get the energy back. Get the energy back. So, give me some thunder. Give me some thunder. Let's go. And the reason why you want to obey the 180-degree shutter rule is so that you can get the most natural motion blur. If the shutter speed is too high, it's going to be too smooth, and real life is not that smooth. And if it's too low, it's going to be jittery and not smooth and not the best. Let me just give you a quick example of when the shutter speed is too low and when it's too high, so you can see what I'm talking about. Currently my shutter is at 1/100th of a second, and that's because I'm shooting at 60 frames per second. It's meant to be at 1/125th of a second, but 100 is still fine. So let me carry it down now to 1/25th of a second. 1/25th of a second. Then let's compensate a bit with the ND filter so that to reduce the excess lights. So I think this is good. Yeah, this is good. So now let me be talking and then you see what I'm talking about. So I'm talking now and I'm walking and stuff, and if you notice, you see that thing is kind of jittery, it's not smooth, it's not the best. This is not natural, this is too slow. So this is for when you're using a shutter speed that is too low, that is too slow. So now let's use a faster shutter. So now let's increase the shutter to 1/400th of a second. Let's make it high and let's compensate with the ND filter. Let's get more light. Yes. So now let me move in. You notice how the thing is too smooth. You notice like there's no motion blur. Motion blur is really low. As I'm shaking, motion blur is really less. This is not really natural. This is too fast. This is too smooth. This is too cool. Yet, so this is not really how real life looks like. So now let me switch it back to the real thing and let me see if you can then tell the difference. So we're back to 1/100th of a second, and Let me compensate with the sunglasses, which is the ND filter. I think this is okay. And then look at now, you notice that there's more motion blur now. So this is the most natural motion blur that you should be getting. Anyhow, I'm tired. Let me go for my shoot. I think she's almost there now. That was just a short, quick tutorial about why you need an ND filter. Full tutorial will be up later. Let's go.